I hope y'all doing good out there. I'm hanging in. If this is your first time here, I'm Miss T. Welcome to the family. Today I have another recipe to help you stick to your diets called Mediterranean shrimp. Real short and sweet. You know I'm gonna hook y'all up. As always, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. Sweet guys, this dish can be served with wild or Lebanese style rice. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you need more Mediterranean friendly recipes, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.